Gentlemen, Sheriff.
Hey, Sheriff.
Why the tires are here?
Sono sempre stati qui.
They were better when they were before.
Stai sempre a parlare.
Guido?
vuoi sempre-
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Daru's working much faster than I expected.
Yeah, at this rate, he should be done in, oh, say, 10 or 15 years.
Yeah, that was hard work.
You know, I used to be a pretty good whistler. I can't do it now, of course, on account of sometimes I get fluid built up in my engine block, but Doc said he's gonna fix it, though. He can fix about anything. That's why we made him the judge. Boy, you should have heard me on Giddy Up, Papa Mile Mile. I'm not one to brag. People come pretty far to see me get low on the Mile Mile.
Oh, man, that's just great.
Hey, kid, what's going on? What's wrong?
Hey, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you? My lucky sticker's all dirty.
Ah, that ain't nothing. I'll clean it for you.
Whoa, feisty pants. That won't be necessary. Hey, big fella. Yeah, you in the red. I could use a little hose down. Help me wash this off. Where's he going?
Oh, he's just a little bit shy, and he hates you for killing his flowers.
I shouldn't have to put up with this. I'm a precision instrument of speed and aerodynamics.
You hurt your what?
I'm a very famous race car.
You are a famous race car? A real race car?
Yes, I'm a real race car. What do you think? Look at me.
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with...
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes, yes!
I must scream into the world my excitement from the top of someplace very high. Do you know many Ferraris?
No. They race on the European circuit. I'm in the Piston Cup. What?
Luigi follow only the Ferraris.
Sometimes